This 15-year-old girl was raped not once but twice. Her first attacker was a 60-year-old man in whose house she was working as a maid.
He held my mouth and ripped off my clothes. He then forced himself on me, and when I tried pushing him away, he pinned me down on the floor. After that, he told me that if I mentioned this to anyone, he would kill me.
Just as Lakshmi was recovering from her trauma, she was raped yet again. This time, the attacker was a friend of the unknown woman who brought her from her home state of Jharkhand to work as a domestic help. In another corner of New Delhi, this woman tells us how she was raped by her recruiting agent.
Since I left my job without his permission, he forcibly took me to his office, and there he raped me.
Officially, there are 4.5 million women working as domestic workers in India, but unofficially, the numbers could be as high as 90 million. Many of them work inside homes like these, where their work is never seen and their abuse never reported. Many of them live like modern-day slaves. They're often victims of physical assault and verbal abuse. And as domestic workers get little legal protection, this abuse carries on. But with rising incomes, demand for household help is skyrocketing. This man supplies domestics to affluent households. His agents scout the poorest villages to look for the most desperate families.
The agents tell the parents to give up their daughters for a year. If she runs away or doesn't want to work, we hold the agents responsible, and they need to find us another girl.
The government is bringing in an anti-sexual harassment law to protect women workers. But experts have criticized it because it excludes domestic workers.
First thing that can be done to include them in existing legislations, and for those things that cannot be governed easily by existing legislation, such as working hours or domestic work, which is an extremely different nature of work, those could be governed by specific legislations.
So in the absence of tough laws, civil society is now pitching in. Small shelters like these provide a safe house for abused domestic workers. With nobody else to defend their rights, these women are grateful to have each other and an opportunity to move on. Prerna Suri, Al Jazeera, New Delhi.